Okay, I'm making this video to address the assumption that toothpaste does not fix the scratch problem on the HTC M8 with the lens scratches. I started doing this a while ago because I had the lens cover replaced under warranty. The problem came back again. It was taking horrible pictures, and I decided to take it into my own hands. And reading some reviews, it seems that toothpaste would work, and a microfiber cloth with Q-tips, etc. So the center of the lens you see there is what I've already done. No scratches, takes good pictures. I left the outside ring because it doesn't really affect image quality, but I'm going to finish it off to show that this method does work. Now, this is what I use. And that's it. Colgate toothpaste, not much left, but we'll use what we got. Got the Q-tips, got the microfiber cloth with just like a drop of water to clean the toothpaste off. Okay? So you can see, once it focuses, there are scratches. The coating is coming apart from the lens. Okay? So this is what we're going to do. A little bit of toothpaste. Doesn't take much. Okay? Put it on the lens. Okay? Apply some pressure. And you got to put a pretty good amount of pressure on it to get it off. Let's go around the outside. You can kind of feel where it starts smoothing out. Okay. You see there's some black stuff there. That's the coating coming off. Okay. Now, get a microfiber cloth with just a dab of water. You can barely see it on there. Rub on the lens. Get all the toothpaste off. Okay. And it's getting better. It's getting a wider area now. Okay. That's how you get the coating off. I can spend more time doing this. I'm sure I will to make it perfect, but that remaining scratch right there will come out. I'll get some pictures of it once I do it. So most of the coating is gone now. You can take a lot better pictures. If that center section is the most important to get cleaned off, you're going to have soft, blurry pictures.